Atlassian's got an interesting take on resource management, and they introduced a new product called Talent. And in this video, we're going to be talking about it. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a like. Let's jump into it. At Team 25, Atlassian announced Talent. And Talent's an interesting tool. I'm not really sure how it's going to work, but it's based on positions. And I kind of like the idea if it was just resource management. I like the idea if we just knew who your employees were and what skills they have and what team they're a part of, and then figure out how much workload they have. But the way Atlassian marketed this was they're going to track positions and HR jobs. And I don't know, it felt kind of weird. I don't see how this is going to scale. Anu, the president of Atlassian, said that she uses it with her team internally and that this is actually where the idea came from. But I just don't see how other companies are going to use this. I think if Atlassian can nail down the resource skills management part of it, I think this is going to be a win. But if they're going to be using it for just positions, I think it's going to be harder. And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. It's a good idea, I think. I think it's something that Atlassian desperately needs to do. There is no really easy way to do capacity management or resource management, but the example that they give you is that if you have like a project that's upcoming and you need to essentially find a resource in your company that has that skill set to help you with that project, then Rovo is going to be able to help you out. So I can see that benefit, but I'm not convinced that this is the problem that Atlassian should be solving. But anyways, let me know down in the comment section, what do you think? Are you going to be able to leverage Talent? I don't think I'm going to be able to evangelize it too much. I don't think it's the right problem that we're trying to solve here. I think research management is really what we're trying to solve, trying to understand here's a project, how many people are working on it, who's doing what, who's got capacity to help out, who's over capacity. I think from that perspective, we really want that. But I don't particularly know that I care about positions and stuff like that. But anyways, too early to tell. Those are just my 2 cents. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.